In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Mailchimp with WordPress using Zapier. This process allows you to automate tasks between these two platforms, enhancing your email marketing capabilities. Begin by navigating to the Zapier homepage. Open your web browser and enter the Zapier website URL. Once the page loads, you will see the main dashboard where you can start creating your automation. Next, locate the button labeled Create on the home page. This button is usually positioned prominently on the screen. Clicking it will take you to a new section where you can start setting up your Zap. After that, click on Zaps in the menu. This option is typically found on the left side of the screen. Selecting this will show you a list of your existing Zaps and the option to create a new one. Once this appears, input the word highlight into the search bar. This search feature helps you find the specific trigger you want to set up. After typing, press enter to display the relevant options. Now, click on the button that says Start Building. This action will direct you to the Zap editor where you can configure the details of your integration. Type in highlight again in the editor's search bar. This helps narrow down your choices further. Ensure you see the correct suggestions before proceeding. Next, click on Mailchimp from the available options. This is the service you will be integrating with WordPress, and selecting it will prompt you to specify the trigger event. Click on Trigger Event to choose what action will initiate the Zap. This is where you define the specific event in Mailchimp that will start the automation process. Select New Subscriber from the list of trigger events. This option will allow you to trigger actions whenever a new subscriber joins your Mailchimp list. Proceed by clicking on Account. This step is necessary to connect your Mailchimp account to Zapier. You will be prompted to authenticate your account to allow access. Click on Connect Mailchimp to establish this connection. A pop-up window will appear asking for your Mailchimp credentials. Enter your information and grant the required permissions. Now click on WordPress to set up the action that will occur on your WordPress site. This step is crucial for linking the two platforms effectively. Click on Action Event to define what action you want to take in WordPress when the trigger from Mailchimp occurs. This helps specify how the integration works. Select Create User as the action event. This option will allow you to automatically add new subscribers from Mailchimp into your WordPress user database. Next, click on Account again to connect your WordPress account. Similar to before, you will need to authenticate your WordPress site to allow Zapier to perform actions on it. Click on Connect WordPress to complete this connection. A window will prompt you to enter your WordPress site details, ensuring a secure and effective integration. At this point, you have successfully set up the integration between Mailchimp and WordPress. Make sure to review your settings and test the Zap to ensure everything is functioning as expected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.